Assembly instructions for your Big Fig Premium Plush Micro-coil Topper. Step 1. Unbox your topper. We recommend laying the box on its side and lifting it from the bottom to help the topper slide out. Your topper will be sealed inside with 2 layers of plastic folded in half and rolled up. Step 2. Remove the outer layer. Once out of the box, place the topper on your bed and unwrap the outer layer of stretch film from the topper. Do not attempt to cut the plastic, as this can potentially cause damage to the topper. Step 3. Lay out your topper. You will see the topper begin to unroll as you start removing the outer layer. Begin to unfold your topper until it's fully spread out across the mattress, ensuring that it is square to the mattress edges. Step 4. Cut the plastic. Using the provided tool, carefully cut the plastic around the topper. As you cut all the way around the topper, it will decompress and quickly fill to full size. Step 5. Remove plastic. Pull all the plastic out from underneath the topper. Step 6. Place corner straps. Position the corner straps of the topper around each corner edge of your mattress, ensuring that the straps are tight and flush with the side of the mattress to ensure it stays in place. Step 7. Finish setup. Add your mattress protector, sheets, and bedding accessories, and you are ready for a supportive yet cushy night of sleep.